Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Alfa Romeo Giulietta headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools: a new H7 bulb, protective gloves to avoid touching the glass, and a flathead screwdriver. It's crucial to ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cooled down before you begin any work to prevent burns or electrical issues. Next, open your car's bonnet and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see a circular rubber cover. Gently pull this off to expose the bulb and its wiring. This step might require a bit of maneuvering, especially on the passenger side, which can be tighter. Take your time to avoid damaging the cover. Now, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pulling it straight off. Then, carefully release the metal retaining clip that holds the bulb in place. This often involves pushing it in and moving it to the side. Once the clip is free, remove the faulty bulb. With gloves on, insert the new H7 bulb, making sure its small lug points downwards for proper seating. Finally, secure the metal retaining clip back into its position, ensuring the bulb is held firmly. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb. Carefully replace the rubber cover, making sure it forms a tight seal to prevent moisture ingress. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb illuminates and check its alignment if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.